Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best microwave hood light bulb on the market. The AMI Parts 8,206,232A bulb, a 40-watt, 125-volt incandescent microwave oven light. If you're looking for a reliable replacement bulb that will restore the perfect illumination inside your microwave, this product might just be what you need. This microwave bulb features an E17 base, which measures about 16.28 mm or 0.64 inches. That base size is crucial to ensure it fits snugly into your microwave's light socket. The bulb itself is made from durable glass and designed specifically for microwave ovens and similar household appliances. It's a straightforward incandescent bulb with a warm white finish that provides a soft, non-harsh light. This makes it ideal not only for your microwave but also for applications like bedroom lamps, bathroom lights, or even children's study lamps where a gentle glow is preferred. One of the standout qualities of the 8,206,232A bulb is its wide compatibility. It fits many Whirlpool microwave models, including GMH3204XVQ3, KMHS120EBL series, and others. But it's also compatible with brands like Maytag, GE, Kenmore, and LG. This makes it a versatile option if you own appliances from different manufacturers. It can even replace several part numbers, which is great for those who are unsure of the exact model number they need. The bulb's 40-watt power rating ensures bright and consistent illumination, solving common issues such as flickering, dimming, or bulbs that just won't light up. The installation process is quite simple. If your microwave bulb hasn't been replaced before, it might be held in place with silicone. To remove the old bulb, you can carefully cut away the silicone or use dental floss to slide it out. Once the old bulb is removed, screwing in the new 8206232A bulb takes just minutes. Remember to disconnect the microwave's power before starting to avoid any electrical hazards. Durability is another strong point for this bulb. It uses a special heat-resistant filament designed to withstand the high temperatures inside a microwave oven. This means fewer replacements over time and less hassle for you. The quality materials and thorough manufacturer testing ensure that this bulb will offer a longer lifespan compared to many alternatives. Whether your microwave bulb has burnt out, flickers, or just isn't as bright as it used to be, the AMI Parts 8,206,232A microwave oven light bulb is a solid replacement choice. Its reliability, compatibility, and ease of installation make it an excellent value. If you want to save money and time by repairing your microwave light instead of replacing the whole appliance or paying for expensive service calls, this bulb delivers exactly what you need. That wraps up our detailed look at the AMI Parts 8,206,232A microwave hood light bulb. If you want to keep your microwave well lit and working smoothly, this is the replacement bulb to consider. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and product insights.